crop this year has been pretty good, really.
Keith Amon farms corn near Alt, Colorado. Been farming with his family for 50 years now. The other day he was doing some fall tillage, preparing the ground for next year's crop. These are tough times for Amon and many of his neighbors.
It seems like all agricultural products are interrelated, and when you have a negative effect on one product, especially soybeans, it will have a negative impact on corn as well.
China's 25% tariff on U.S. soybeans has helped push commodity prices down across the board. Corn, which reached a high of $8 a bushel back in 2012, is $3.88 now.
If you're selling a corn crop for $3.50 a bushel, $4 a bushel, it's not going to pay a lot amount of bills.
Tim Magnuson, who farms nearby, says he's learned to adapt to those lower prices.
You tighten the belt a little bit and hope for the best. Of course, everybody wants more for their product, but sometimes you don't get it.
Corn yields have gone up over the years thanks to improved technology and farming practices. So in a way, folks like Magnuson are a victim of their own success. One major worry for corn farmers is that corn becomes even more abundant and prices fall even further as more soybean farmers switch over to their crop.
I've heard as much as 25 to 30% in certain locations.
Dale McCall runs the Rocky Mountain Farmers Union. He thinks trade tensions with China, Canada, and Mexico may be hurting farmers most of all.
The longer these trade wars go on, the more uncertain it becomes. And right now it impacts what you're going to plant. It impacts whether or not you're going to get an operating loan.
Farmers differ on whether those trade disputes will lead to better times down the road.
We hope that it's 25, 30 years of good working relationships with China. And there'll be a cost with that, no pain, but we're willing to go through that.
But to use agriculture and farmers as pawns isn't something that people in Washington should be doing.
Low prices may prompt Amon to store his corn this winter in the hopes he can sell at a higher price next year, an option he says many younger farmers don't have. He's calm about the situation on the outside.
Well, there's definitely turmoil that you're not seeing.
But it's part of the landscape of American agriculture that's always been unpredictable, even more so today. Hendrik, Sybrandy, CGTN, Alt, Colorado.